Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching the video of hotel. This video will try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. It is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can also rooms and ready tours online that are by guest room for their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 10. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. At check-in. Location of the hotel is small and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Some details and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Details below the link in description. If you are watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.